Have you ever felt like building wealth is out of your control? Like no matter what you do, no matter how hard you try, you're stuck in the same place? Well, here's the truth. Most people focus on the things they can't control, but the rich, they focus on the 8 powerful things that they can control. And today I'm going to break them all down for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to focus on so you can start building your own wealth, gaining financial freedom, and taking your life to the next level. Stick around because the last point is the number one thing keeping most people broke. Let's get into it. Your mindset is very, very key here. Wealth starts in your mind first. If you believe that making money is hard, that rich people are greedy, or that success is just about luck, you're already lost. The rich thinks differently. They believe money is a tool, not a problem. Opportunities are everywhere, and they believe that they're responsible for their own success. For example, have you ever heard that someone winning the lottery and going broke within a few years? That's because they never had a wealth mindset. Or have you heard about a struggling entrepreneur who fails multiple times but keeps going and going until they get it right and build a 7-figure business? That's a wealth mindset, guys. The lesson here is change your thoughts and you'll change your mindset and your income. Number 2 is how you spend your money. Making money is one thing, but keeping it and growing it is a totally different thing. The rich knows how to manage their money, while the broke spend every dime they make or every dime that they receive. Let's think about it. A person earning $50,000 who saves and invests can become wealthier than a person that makes $200,000 who blows it all on luxury cars, vacations, and just superfluous spending. Then on the other hand, you just think about it this way. Instead of spending $500 a month eating out, imagine investing that same money in stocks. After 10 years, that can turn into 6 figures easily. Just keep in mind that every dollar that you spend is a decision. So choose wisely, guys. Choose very wisely. Your income streams is very much within reach. Wealthy people don't rely on just one paycheck. They build multiple streams of income. If you only have one stream of income, you are essentially one emergency away from financial ruins or financial disaster. It's really easier than you think to increase the number of income streams that you have. Just think, for instance, if you're a teacher and you create a tutoring business on the side, you could essentially and sometimes double your salary or improve it significantly. That is a second income. And the third and fourth and so on and so forth streams of income can come very easily if you just apply yourself. Another way to think about this is if you work 9 to 5 and you invest in dividend stocks, over a period of time, you're going to start earning passive income while you're asleep. That is another stream of income. And get this, you don't have to work for it. The lesson here, guys, is one stream of income is very, very dangerous. So start building more today. How you invest your income. The rich don't just save money, they grow it. Investing is the key to financial freedom. Your money always should be working harder than you. There's no other way to think about it. If your money is not working harder than you do on a daily basis, then you got it all wrong. For example, a person who invests $500 a month in index funds can retire a millionaire. I mean, it's proven. It has happened over and over and over again. And in fact, I'll start doing some videos on index funds and the ROI so that you can see that if you are investing wisely and for a period of time, you can retire as a millionaire. Another way to think about this is if you invest your money in rental properties and you have several of them, you're going to cash flow a good deal of money every month. That is how your money is making you more money, and it's working harder than you are. I want you to always think about this. If you don't invest, you will never build true wealth. Keep that in your mind, guys. You will never build true wealth without investing. I know, guys, many of us have heard it's all about the company you keep. Well, it is truly the people that you surround yourself with is important. Like the old saying is, show me your 5 friends and I'll show you your future. If you're surrounded by broke people or broke-minded people who complain about money all the time, guess what? You're going to be just like them. I know it's hard to believe, but it shouldn't be because you are in many ways the company that you keep. Wealthy people surround themselves and build relationships with people that are successful, that are positive, and ambitious. Wealthy people always make sure that they have a good, well-woven network of people all around them. We see it all the time when you have an entrepreneur who joins a mastermind group and double, sometimes triple their net worth or their income in a short period of time through leveraging the connections that they have in their group. I've even seen where friends of mine who were struggling artists that changed their immediate circle and became more involved with successful artists, and before you know it, they had their first gig or their first CD or song released. Not only their mindset, but they also changed their network of people. Just remember that your environment shapes your future for success. So choose it very wisely, guys. Choose it very wisely. Your skills and knowledge is something that you definitely can control. The rich will never stop learning. They constantly upgrade their skills and their knowledge base over a period of time. So they are lifelong learners. If you really, really want to make more money, then you have to make yourself more valuable. Like for example, a struggling worker takes an online course, learns how to code, and then they double their income because they've landed a job with a much higher salary. That's what happens, guys, when you continue to learn and you continue to grow. The things that you learn will become skills, and you can market those skills to demand a higher salary or to create a business or product and offer it to others. And the bottom line, guys, if you want more money, learn more skills. Your most valuable asset is your time. Time management has to be the most important element to a rich person, a millionaire or billionaire success. The rich uses their time very wisely. For instance, if you take all your time and you're on social media and you are just wasting time, just strolling through or browsing, going from one extreme to the other, or you're wasting time doing things that won't enhance your ability to generate more money, you are essentially choosing to be poor. And just think about it another way. If you just take 1 hour a day and you take that hour and you work on a new skill or you work on your business and you continue to do that for a period of time, over a couple of years, you're going to reach financial freedom or at least financial security. The average person spends 4 hours a day or more on social media. Can you imagine what could happen with your business or how your financial future would be much brighter if you took that same time and devoted it to building your wealth? Guys, it's a no-brainer there. You have to use your time wisely. It's the only resource that you can't get back. You also have to make sure that your health and your energy is preserved and protected. Wealth means nothing if you don't have the health to enjoy any of it. Most wealthy people prioritize their health, that is their physical health and their mental health, as well as their fitness over all things except making their money. And the reason why they do this, they understand that if they have a positive energy, if they're in a good place physically and mentally, then that's going to improve their ability to be successful. Just think, an entrepreneur that works out on a daily basis has all kinds of energy, has a very high energy level, and they use that energy to generate revenue and to make money. And the other way to look at it is a struggling worker who eats junk food, not as healthy, sleeps about 4 or 5 hours a night, usually doesn't have mental clarity, and they're very exhausted and lack motivation. Just remember this, guys. A strong mind fuels a strong bank account. Now that you know 8 things that you can control, it's time for you to take action. Which one will you start with today? Drop a comment below. And before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more financial tips. Until next time.